Impressed? Well, I hope you are, because I haven't got a bigger fixing than that. This is the 10.8 volt Twinpack from Sparky, and this is the Impact Driver. It's running off a 2 amp hour battery. It comes in this kit. You've got the Impact Driver there. You've got a drill driver there. 2 speeds variable on the trigger. You've got 20 torque settings, drill and hammer drill. 2 2 amp hour batteries, a fast charger, a carry case, keyless chuck. What more can I say? I've got one of these kits. I've built a log cabin, I've built a workshop, and I've built 2 deckings. It's 7 years old and it's still going strong. Here you have it, 10.8 volt Twinpack from Sparky.